Hi everybody, Tetanus Risk back with you, and I'm out at the shed and I'm about to show the 2013 Elantra GT a little love with some rear rotors and pads, but that's not why I'm making this video. I'm making this video because of this thing right here, the dreaded rear wiper blade. I've searched, well, I'm in Canada, I've searched Canadian Tire multiple times for this thing, and recently, you can see this one's pretty shot, and you can also tell I haven't turned it on in quite a while because of this. Recently my son went to the local dealership, and he picked up a rear wiper blade for me, and it's one of these universal jobs where well, they don't absolutely fit anything all that well, and so you can see trying the closest one of these resulted in this right here. This was, I think, 30 bucks. Now, to give the dealership the benefit of the doubt, my son did say that they had a much more expensive one, and it probably did fit. But lo and behold, I came across this Trico Exact Fit, and it's a 13P. And I'm trying to get that, yeah, there's some focus. Compared it to the other one, and it is an exact fit. So this thing was probably $7 US, and up, you know, shipping and taxes to get it up here. But all in all, still under 20 bucks maybe, or around 20. Well, this universal jobby was like 28 from the dealership. So that's what I'm going to do. It's just a helpful tip that you know, if you're looking to replace this, and it's like I said, I had trouble finding the exact fit, and here it is in this Trico Exact Fit 13P. So just wanted to keep this short, so we're going to pull that one off, and I'm going to clean this one, clean this stuff up right here, because I want to give the new wiper a fighting chance. So I'll be back. So here's the new wiper blade. Just gonna drop it into place like that, click it. I'm gonna take the guard off, and we're back to rear wiping. Well, you know what I mean. So just a quick video to prevent you from entering the universal world and save you a few bucks and buy the right part the first time. The Trico Exact Fit 13P. As always, if you like the content, found it helpful, please leave a comment or a thumbs up, and maybe even subscribe. Till next time, take it easy.